Best USB-C Chromebook chargers. Android Central, 2021. One of the most essential upgrades Chromebooks received over the last 4 years is switching from old proprietary barrel connector chargers to simple, standard, widely adopted USB-C power delivery charging. Because of this, no matter how expensive or affordable, all Chromebooks released in the last few years can use the same reliable USB-C chargers. Here are the best replacement USB-C Chromebook chargers with a few of my favorite single-port and multi-port. I've got the Power PWR USB-C Laptop Charger Power Adapter. Staff pick. Great for both laptops and Chromebooks. Get 65 watts of power and an extra long 12-foot power cable that might come in handy, depending on where you're working. The bright blue power light on the brick is useful to confirm there's power to it. $30 at Amazon. Ultra small SLE-TECH Mini 45W USB-C Type-C Laptop Chromebook Charger. Ultra small in size, you can take this mini 45W charger pretty much anywhere, slipping it into your backpack, briefcase, or even pocket. But it packs a punch, providing power to compatible Chromebooks while you're on the go. So it's perfect for students and mobile workers. $17 at Amazon. Forever attached Nekteck 45W USB-C wall charger with power delivery. This affordable charger has a built-in cable, meaning that you can't accidentally forget the cable at home and end up stranded without a way to charge, the way I have multiple times. Compact charging station. PowerPort Atom 3 Slim by Anker. Want to charge a Chromebook, a phone, a smartwatch, and your Bluetooth headphones without getting some big ugly brick? Anker's compact multi-charger is the perfect size and travel-friendly too. $50 at Amazon. Tall and skinny Anker PowerPort II Pod. While this 65W charger is longer than many others, it has a nice small footprint where it plugs in, meaning that it shouldn't block the second outlet on your wall or other plugs on a surge protector. Emergency power. Zendor X5 15,000 mAh USB-C power bank and hub. 15,000 mAh is a good balance between weight and capacity, and 45W is the top speed for Chromebook charging, so you won't need to plug in for too long, either. This bank is available in black, gold, and white silver. $81 at Amazon. Ports, power distribution, and portability, the 3 petaseconds of replacement Chromebook chargers. Pretty much every Chromebook I've come across so far that uses USB-C power delivery charging tops out at 45W, which is great because 15V3A is one of the most common PD charging speeds. You'll get it on basically any high-powered charger, whether you get an actual 45W charger or a 60W or even 100W PD charger. So how do we pick a suitable replacement charger? There are 3 things to balance in your decision. Source: Wagoner, Android Central. What if my Chromebook doesn't use USB-C? If your Chromebook is an older model and still uses a barrel or other manufacturer-specific connector, you won't have nearly the selection to choose from that USB-C Chromebook owners will. USB-C is an open standard, so it's popular, but to feel like you need to fork over big bucks to buy another charger from the manufacturer. For older laptops, you can usually rely on universal laptop chargers with swappable tips, allowing you to change it to whatever connector your unique model uses. These chargers typically come with the more popular barrel sizes, but figure out which tip you need before buying. We may earn a commission for purchases using our links. Learn more. A plug for everything. Make your Chromebook more powerful with these docking stations. If you need to turn your Chromebook into an easy-to-use desktop, these docking stations are exactly what you need. Here are our favorites you should check. Sounds great. Save your Chromebook from terrible sound with an amazing speaker set. Laptop speakers suck. Here are a few easy ways to go from ah to yeah when listening to your Chromebook. Best mouse. Enhance your Chromebook experience with an awesome wireless mouse. A Chromebook's trackpad may work just fine, but sometimes a wireless mouse can come in handy when you're navigating multiple documents and spreadsheets or playing a round of intense video games. Here are the best wireless mice for Chromebooks.